Me again. Go figure that. All right, so we're working here on Island Calypso. So, top of the page, they talk about single eighth notes and eighth rests, okay? Most of the time, eighth notes come in 2 eighth notes at a time, right? So you'll see 2 eighth notes with a little bar on the top, right? But sometimes they happen one at a time. So when you see an eighth note, a single one, that's just with a little flag on it, and it gets half of a beat. Now, right next door to that is what the eighth rest looks like. So it also gets half of a beat. So oftentimes, you'll end up in a situation where you'll have eighth note, eighth rest, eighth note, eighth rest. And all you have to do is be on the number, off on the rest, or the and, right? Here. Let's find a good speed. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and watch me do it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's just on, and. You see, go on, off, on, off, on, off. Okay, great. Okay, so that's obviously going to happen quite a bit in your song. Here's your song. All right, so here's your count off. Write this. Put right at the beginning of the song, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and ready, go. There we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Got it? Awesome. That's the counting for the first measure. So I'll put that in there too. 1 and then what you do is you rest on the 2, and then you play on the and then you hold the half note for 3, 4. That's what that looks like. That'd be a great idea to go ahead and put that in your music too. So it's like 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now you're really quiet on 2 because it's a rest. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And then it does the same thing in the right hand. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And then it does in the third measure, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, off, 4. Got it? Oh, hold 3, 4. Hold 3, 4. Great. Here we go, my dear. I think you could learn this hands together. Okay? So I'm going to go really, really slow. 1 and 2 and ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, bounce 1, accent 2, 3, 4, bounce both. 1 and, no, sorry. What I meant to say was the right hand slurs, the left hand bounces. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Then 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Sorry, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now, that chord right there in the left hand, in that measure I just played, which is measure 9, 10, 11, 12. Careful, it's not your regular 5/7 chord. You would think it looks almost like it, but C is on the bottom, not B. So careful, careful. Okay, next section. On this one, you're going to go 1 and 2 and. Okay, so you have to get off on that little and. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, bounce both. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3. Back to the beginning. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Bounce 1, go 2, 3, 4. Yay! Okay, sounds great. All right, talk to you soon. See you on Wednesday. Okay, bye.